Hello guys, good evening. How's everybody? It's nighttime over here right now. I'm cooking chicken tinola for our dinner. So, there's my granddaughter.
Hi.
She's doing her homework right now.
I'm doing the book. I finished all my math homework. Now I have to read a book. Yeah, and I already read it, and now I have to do 6 questions, and I already finished my 4th question. Now I'm on my 5th.
Okay.
Now I got one more to do.
Okay, go finish your homework. And look guys, this is our nativity. There you go. And our Christmas tree is up already. And here's my granddaughter. She's doing her homework. And yeah, I'm cooking some chicken tinola for our dinner. And it's almost done, guys. Yes, done already. I've been cooking it since a while ago. I'm adding spinach for that. The green spinach. First, what I did is I saute the onion and ginger in cooking oil, and then I add a chicken nor. This right here, I add some chicken nor and salt. I add some salt and of course the black pepper. So and then I already put the sayote squash and the mix already done, so I'm gonna add I'm adding the spinach. Okay, there's our spinach. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. I don't want the spinach in it. I use the frozen spinach. Okay, let's see. My spinach done. And get ready hungry. I cook half of the chicken wings for our chicken tinola, and half of it I marinated with this. I marinated with the chicken adobo for tomorrow. So I already marinated. That's half of the chicken. Half of it I cooked it with the.
Hi.
Finish your homework.
I only have one more question
You
to
got one more question? Okay.
I finished my 5th one.
Okay, good.
See, look.
Make sure you got it, okay? You see? My daughter, my granddaughter. Okay, good. You already answered the
just have to
1,
finish
2,
this
3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how many more questions? One more?
I have to finish this one.
Okay.
There's only 6 questions in each
Okay,
book.
she's reading
The
this
Ring
book,
of Fire.
Ring of Fire. And she read this book, and then
You have to read it first and then do the questions.
And then on the very last, you're gonna read this whole books, and then on the very last, there's a
page,
question.
here are the questions I have to answer.
Yeah,
all
so she has
6.
to answer this, and she have to turn in it tomorrow.
Every single Friday. My teacher lets our homework.
Okay, good. Good job. Okay. Well, see you. See,
And I was just copying something in my book.
Okay, we'll say
Made me
bye-bye.
lose my pen.
Okay. Say
Bye,
See you.
everyone.
We'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Good night, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.